Hello, my name is Jay Mallet. This is my craft presentation, the third one for English 160 creative writing. My craft talk is on defining character traits in short stories or fiction stories. There are many aspects that go into defining character traits in short stories. Early 2016 made the following suggestions. Always remember that it is the character's job to convey the message and that this applies to their traits. When dumping information, be strategic. The dumping of information can tell just as much about the character as the information you are trying to display. It is important to talk about the character's life, including the past and present, that has shaped he or she into the person they are. Talk about a character's age. Talking about a character's age can be done by just saying it, just thinking it, and just suggesting it. With conveying a character's emotion, it is important that you put yourself in the character's shoes in order to explain what the character is feeling and doing. It is also good, like if you try to think of at least a couple situations that you can put your character in, or a couple different settings that you can put your character in that can help your story progress a lot too. And here's a excerpt I took from Two Hearts by Brian Doyle. So there are many nights now when I tuck Liam in his wheezing train station under my beard in the blue hours of night and think about his marker. I will kill the guy who sentences him to such awful pain. I will stab him in the heart like he stabbed my son. I will shove my fury in his face like a fist, but I know in my own broken heart that this same God made my magic boys, shaped their apple faces and coyote eyes, put joy in the eagle stuck in my mouth. So it is that my hands are not clenched in anger, but clasped in confused and merry and bitter prayer. Sarah, 2021, page 376. So questions I want to ask you guys are, how would you describe the character? What are the character's traits? Two Hearts by Brian Doyle. The traits of the characters, some of the traits that I noticed throughout the throughout the short story, was that he was brokenhearted, he was hurting, he was kind of like sad, angry, and bitter. He had like a loving tone, a very honest tone, and it was very like to the point. How I use the advice in my own writing on my own short stories, I will ensure that I'm putting myself in the character's shoes to convey who they are trying, who they are through my writing, and the experiences they are going through, and the things they are feeling, and getting better at showing instead of telling. I want to be specific and strategic when writing to convey my character's traits. I want to be able to use descriptive words to be able to express my character's traits. And I want to include the past and the present of characters' life to convey who they are and how they get to that current spot. I think it's important when we're talking about a character to give some background information about them at the beginning of the story so you can know a little bit about them. And then I think it's important to, at the end, to give like a little synopsis of like the future, or like some things that might take place after the story's over, to just keep the audience intrigued. And I think it's important to be able to like build off of the story that you already been telling, to just make it have a better story. And these are my references. I use Hardy and Sellers. Hope you guys were able to get something from this. Thank you.